Hi, my name is Thonglin Lalvaipe. The item that I'm going to perform about today is that none other than dance. The title of the dance that I'm going to perform, DJ, Let's Go Disco Jackson. Thank you so much.
Solid performance. Let's see what the judges have to say.
Stage performance ค่ะดิเทียมกันติดเลยอ่ะ
Thank you so much.
จวนนินให้อีรอนนุยค่ะทราเอเมมาจวนเทคนิคพาร์ทวันอีเขาอินเงี้ยมิวสิกเนี่ยปนอินเรมกันติอ่ะจวนนินมาเสอติระอีรอนอินโทรดักชันค่ะตรงรังเดียวเล็กกติยามั้งถ้าเดี๋ยววินอะไรเป็นคนอาจารย์รันตีละนี่กระดูสักนักหลานเจนี่
Yes, ma'am.
You are a disco dancer. Very good. No, you did so well. And the stage presence is very good.
Thank you so much.
That is what we are searching for. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I don't need to say about the stage presence and all because you nailed it in that part. What I like you the most is that your expression, everything, the dancing skill, yeah, everything was right. But I want you to see more with lyrical dancing music, no?
Yes, sir.
That will suit you most. Yeah.
Yes.
I hope you could get through for the next round.
Thank you so much.
Give a big round of applause for Thang Ven Lal, Vai Pei. Tuan ano na di nga hile serial number 6 ngag Muan Kim ay biro dapat ama le dance perform din samtahi.
mina hile ngak ma kim kon ki pana hile IB Road tua ka so di hile dance.
Best of luck.
La 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 la, yeah. Your smile's always shining out, and they know what it's all about. It's not hard for them to figure out the way you show Jesus. You know love is what they heard, and you didn't even say a word. Ain't it funny that's the way it works? So when you know Jesus, oh, it's like flipping on a light switch when you're walking into this room. It's so undeniable. I gotta tell you that I like the way anytime, anywhere, any place, it's written all over your face. The way you love Jesus, and it always speaks to me. A little joy with a touch of peace. It's so inspiring the way you show Jesus. So give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that, and show me that, show me that, show me that, show me that. Oh, give me that, give me that, give me that, the way you show Jesus. Oh, it's like flipping on a light switch when you're walking into this room. You're so unmistakable, and oh, show up any time of day. You can never get here too soon. You're so unbelievable. You're so unbelievable. Just give me that, give me that, and show me that, show me that. Oh, give me that, give me that. The way you show, the way you show him. I gotta tell you that I'm liking the way. Anytime, anywhere, any place, it's written all over your face. The way you love Jesus, the way you love, and it always speaks to me. It's speaking a little joy with a touch of peace. It's so inspiring, you know the way you show Jesus, the way you show Jesus. So give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Show me that, show me that, show me that, show me that. Give me that, give me that, the way you show Jesus. So give me that, give me that. Hey, show me that, show me that. Oh, give me that, the way you show Jesus.
Oh, siam mamay ngak mwan kim. Na siam mama I just stay ngai dan le ngai kadingo.
Hello, sweetie.
Hi.
I think you dance really cute. I think you're really cute. And that was a song by Jamie Grace. Ma. But I think with when you're dancing in a happy song like this one, I think you need to smile more and show some love to the audience, okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
I just stay non commenting idea na result ka 21 I December 21 siya nga swag ding hiya why ni siya hong non lete oh I tuna abana ipay non ding ipay zel ding nga why abana ipay may na I tunia media hon cover sakte Hornbill Skynet tullaw tile Angels Vision te hi serial number abana ipay dia serial number 7 Makir Lozem di phai jaga patahia ama I lasadi ni samtahi
Look, kamin chule Makir tuibong apada kong eke. Tu akala sa pen why not me tela.